You just spent over $1,200 on the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, but is it actually a real Samsung or fake? Scammers are getting terrifyingly good at cloning these devices. Today, I'm showing you the 6 dead giveaways to spot a counterfeit S26 Ultra so you don't get scammed. Let's dive in. First, some basics. Go to Settings. From there to About Phone, to Status Information, to Phone Status, and make sure it's showing official status. But that's easy to fake. So, what else? This year's big feature is the privacy display. A real S26 Ultra should have a screen that's incredibly hard to see from the side, but crystal clear from the front. Most fakes might use cheap LCD panels. And also, take a look at the bottom chin or bezel. If it's thicker than the top bezel, it's not a Samsung. Samsung's bezels are perfectly symmetrical and nearly invisible. Now, let's talk about the back cameras. The S26 Ultra features a new camera island design rather than individual floating lenses. On a fake, these lenses might be just plastic covers, and some of the sensors won't even be real. If you see a bluish tint or a wobble inside the lens, it's a clone. Still not sure? Dial *#06#. Get the model and IMEI number from there. You can match these two with the stickers on the box. If you think the stickers might be fake as well, we got you. Go to Settings on your device, to About Phone, and you can see all this information here as well. Simply press and hold over the IMEI number and copy it, and then go to a browser and search for imei.info or any IMEI checking authentic source. Enter the website and simply put down the IMEI number, then press enter. If it's showing the right Galaxy model, name, along with all these additional information that matches with your S26, it's absolutely genuine. But be careful. Some advanced clones can spoof the real IMEI or serial numbers. So, the ultimate test, the performance test. Go to Play Store and search for benchmark apps. Go through the hit results and pick any benchmark app that's got good reviews and trustworthy. We're installing this app for a performance test. Enter the app, and then you will have to run a CPU and a GPU test back to back. It might take a while for each test. Don't close the window while the test is in progress. When it's done, it will generate 2 numbers, single core and multi-core. You can either Google the average benchmark and match these numbers to them, or you can check it from the app. Almost all the benchmark app has other Android models listed in the app with their single and multi-core CPU and GPU benchmark scores, including Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus. Just check if the score on your phone is among the highest. In your case, it actually shows the highest GPU score in the market. If that's so, that means it is 100% genuine S26 Ultra. You got there. Lastly, always buy from authorized retailers or the official Samsung store. Then you won't have to worry about its authenticity. Thanks for your time.